friends, I'm your friend Rani Subramanian. Once again, welcome back to Kesaria Textile Manufacturers. I hope all are safe and doing great. So at my background, you're seeing the entire Kesaria Textile shop. One sales executive is watching and is trying to show the customers. He's into, everyone is busy with the video call and online purchasing. One sales executive customer is calling that side to one more executive, and here is a silk. The Royal Rich Look Banarasi with silk of 500 rupees to around 3000 to 4000. Customer is watching the products. Sales executive, female executive also there, male executives also there. When we go to shop, we need comfortable, we need language, we need comfort zone, we need the state varieties. If I'm going for shopping, I can see so much of collections, river-wise collections I can say. Here the one family is purchasing. They are purchasing from past 2 days. This is a rapier silk segment. You can also purchase. I have taken, due to customer purchasing, I have taken silk collections to next counter because we can't stop the purchasing, right? So today I brought for you for Dussehra festival. Ganesh Chaturthi is gone. Onam is gone. Now upcoming the season to season, the festivals are updating. So Dussehra festival I brought for you. Only low range collections from Royal Banarasi, from Kalyani silk, and you have a Kanjivaram old is gold Arni Kanjivaram pattern. Let's see these collections. If I talk about only 800 rupees to 1000 rupees at factory price. Subscribe the channel. I'm going to show you the color charts. So quickly you can buy with set to set. No single piece, retailers, minimum purchase is 20-25,000. COD only pan India. Worldwide, if you want to purchase Indian currency amount 1 lakh, you can do online payment and you can quickly mix purchase by silks, Poonam sarees, suit material, kids collections, blah 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 blah. So many varieties are there. So subscribe the channel. Let's see the collections. First, I want to show you the royal box varieties, which the box packing is very lovely, the copper print and the beautiful traditional wedding and gift pattern basis, even the engagements, baby showers, all this, and every saree you will have a photocopy with the code. I'm going to show you the photocopy with beautiful lovely pattern varieties. Every saree you have a golden box which is covered very beautiful. Just jokes are apart, okay, don't mistake. Let's see, because my sales executives are watching at me and they are, no, I took some smugglers or biscuits I've just shared with you. So let's see. Now come to the collections, we'll see. First I want to show you the Kalyan silk varieties. Kalyan silk collections of, so first we will talk about the Kalyani silk varieties, beautiful lovely soft silk pattern. These are all only dark colors and dark color combinations. First I'll talk with you the green with tomato red. You have a lovely leaf weaving design with a weaving butta. You have a piping with dark brinjal color with Rama green. You have a navy blue with magenta. You have a Rama green with magenta. You have a tomato with Rama green. Lovely pattern. Now we will see one Rani with Rama green. Rani with Rama green is always lovely color combination. So Rani with Rama green, traditional culture wise, very pretty, very lovely. So these royal rich look collections for Dussehra, for the pujas, for the traditional base, when we are get together in the family functions, you can purchase. And these varieties even you can gift occasions also. You can buy for your aunt, your nephew, your parents, your sisters, your nephew, niece, everyone you can share with your set to set. Here is a lovely catalog. I have showed you all the sarees. In this I have showed you all the collections. This is a one part. Okay, next we will see the old is gold Kanjivaram Arni silk. Here you can see only boxes, geometrical pattern. Let's come to camera. Next pattern. This is Rashmi silk pattern. Rashmi silk, all you can see the golden jerry gap borders. In this gap borders you will find out Arni checks pattern, multicolor. You can say the colorful chart or multicolor chart. You can see beautiful sarees. This is one of the saree. Okay, you can see the saree here. I'll show you the bottom pattern, and you have all kind of color charts over here. And in this you have, I'll show you the great pallu. This is the pallu, the floral base, the tomato red color combinations over here. Now we will show the sari color charts. The purple with magenta. This is the magenta color combination. Again with magenta with green. Again you have a Rani with peacock blue, Rama green. Again you have a purple blue with Rama green and Mehendi green, parrot green. So these all collections you can purchase set to set. This is the Rashmi silk is the code, 800 to 1000 rupees only. Today I am showing you the varieties. Next, coming to royal rich look, white with red. Lovely color combination, which is start from Bengali cotton of the Kolkata color combinations, I can say, but it's a very lovely. This also you are getting the same box packing. Let's see now the box packing. This is a Tej white silk. The color chart is white Tej silk is the code. In this you have a different buttas, different butta, different design, which looks very uniformic and similar, but these are all not same. These are different varieties. So is this, you can note down the code and you can purchase. I have a lovely pattern. You have this one pattern over here. You have a copper with a foil print golden. This tomato red. You have a lovely fancy tassels, umbrella fancy tassels. You can see here long glossy silk tassels. You can see this gives a very royal rich look. And this one you have a color charts. Now I will show you the one sari, how it looks very pretty, lovely, different unique collections which the production, the Kesaria manufacturers are giving you based on the festival season, October, November, December, all the every January to till 12 months, 365 days. You have a uniformic sarees, you have a daily wear sarees, you have a functional wear sarees, you have a party wear sarees, you have a boutique wear sarees, you have a party wear sarees, traditional sarees, baby shower, wedding season, gift occasions, relations, you have to give and take. All these kind of collections you can purchase only from Kesaria manufacturers. The keep trolley, empty trolley is also going for to carry all the online purchasing order. Every time this shop will be going this trolleys from there to this, and from the logistics they'll take again the bill person will come. One side the online team will come. One side the customers will come. This is what the chain work. So hope you enjoyed these collections of Dussehra festival base 800 to 1000 rupees of Banarasi, Kalyani and Kanjivaram Arni silk varieties. So quickly place an order and enjoy these collections in your business. Regular product updates, subscribe this channel. Please share the link with your friends, relatives, with everyone. Try to come to visit, purchase and keep supporting me. And next video we'll meet, and don't forget to let me know in the comment box from which city and what's your name. Please share me. So I'll take your names and I can talk to you. So next video we'll meet with more collections. Keep supporting me, my friends. So until then, take care. Bye-bye.